We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. By recognizing that we are borrowing the earth from our children, we emphasize the importance of sustainable practices. The SIES IIEM believes that sensitizing, training, and empowering students with the knowledge about sustainability is the key to creating individuals for stewardship of our environment. The SIES Indian Institute of Environment Management, established in 1999 as a premier research, academic, and training institute. It is an ISO 9001:2015 certified institute for R&D and lab testing services. The institute is also recognized by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. The institute has received several accolades and awards over the years. Professor Purushottam Khanna was the founder director of the institute. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, was bestowed with the Nobel Peace Prize in 2007 at Geneva. IPCC endorsed the work of Dr. Purushottam Khanna and his team for their contribution to the work of the IPCC, which led to the Nobel Prize. The present director is Dr. Sangeeta V. Sharma, holds a doctorate from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, in solid waste management using LCA. Dr. Sharma's work focuses on research and advocacy on environment and energy issues. The green campus and excellent infrastructure create a conducive environment for grooming future professionals. The campus is designed to aid easy movement for physically challenged students. The Indian Institute of Environment Management is steadily progressing on a path of functional synergism of skills in the areas sustainable development and management in education and research. Since 2017, it is a research center for PhD in environmental sciences under University of Mumbai. It also offers MSc in Sustainable Development and Environment Management, affiliated to the Garhwale Institute of Career Education and Development. The institute also offers online postgraduate diploma in Sustainable Environment Management for working professionals. IIEM has organized national and international conferences, seminars, and training and awareness workshops sponsored by DST, CSIR, DRDO, MPCB, JNPT, MMR, Environment Improvement Society, and UNDP. Various innovative programs have been introduced, such as the Climate Ambassadors Program, aimed at familiarizing students and school teachers in the areas of sustainability and climate change. Human Library Program for continuous interactions with institutions and organizations from government, academia, and industry sectors. IIEM collaborates with regulatory authorities, government institutions, industries, and private environmental consultancies to provide high-quality technical advisory support to various public and private organizations. The research and consultancy projects have been sponsored by various agencies and organizations such as DST, DBT, MOEFCC, ICMR, BPCL, etc. The projects include Climate Change Adaptation of Onion Crop, DST sponsored. Addressing drinking water issues in slums in Greater Mumbai and its mapping using GIS, NRDMS, DST sponsored. Biomonitoring and indexing of 56 rivers of Maharashtra at 156 National Water Quality Monitoring Program stations, MPCB sponsored. Seed ball propagation of native tree species in Maharashtra, BPCL sponsored. The state-of-the-art library has a rich collection of around 700 books, research journals, and magazines on various subject areas of environmental management. The classrooms have an excellent ambience and up-to-date Wi-Fi based audio-visual equipment. IIEM also provides comprehensive laboratory testing and analysis service for different types of chemical and biological samples using our fully equipped advanced testing laboratories with an objective to develop innovative solutions for sustainable environment management through R&D. The Water, Air and Sustainability labs are situated on the second floor. Stock room used for chemical stock management. Sample storage room. Samples are stored as per standard lab protocol. Exposure lab consists of fume hood, which is used as ventilation for harmful or dangerous fumes, vapors. The muffle furnace are used for high temperature testing applications such as loss on ignition or ashing. In exposure lab, the sodium and potassium levels in water and soil samples are evaluated using flame photometer. Wet lab consists of gel nitrogen analyzer used to determine content of ammonia, protein nitrogen in the soil or sludge sample. Lab Q, ultra distilled water and DI water equipment used for single distilled water and double distilled water. Borosil double distillation assembly and boiler, COD analyzer. The instrumentation lab has UV, VIS spectrophotometer used for liquid samples like azo dye, chromium, phosphorus, phenolic compound, antioxidant test, etc. Centrifuge is used to separate samples of soil, water. Atomic absorption spectrophotometer is used for analysis of heavy metal contamination in water samples. Air pollution lab used for analysis and measurement of SOx, NOx and particulate matter. Microbiology lab aims to describe microbes from air, water and soil, to study the interrelationships of microorganisms with the physical and chemical conditions and other biotic components. BD Meghani Memorial Conference Hall is used for conferences and seminars. Swastika, the room next to Director's office, is for meetings with video conferencing facilities. Noted alumni of the institution include
Hello, I'm Dr. Sangeeta Sharma and I'm in charge of the institute at present. And what can I say about SIES IIEM? We were established in 1999. So this year we have completed 25 years. So it's a very special year for us as it is a glorious landmark that we have reached. It shows our commitment to sustainability through our various activities, whether it's education, research, advocacy, publications. Our activities include academics. So we are a research center for PhD in environmental studies affiliated to the University of Mumbai. And we also offer an MSc, a 2-year full-time degree in Sustainable Development and Environment Management. We are affiliated to University of Mumbai's Garware Institute for Career Education and Development. And this is a very popular course because we offer very good internships to our students, and we have a record of 100% placement. Our students are placed in reputed multinational organizations working on different areas of sustainability. Then we also have an online part-time course. It's postgraduate diploma in environment management. This focuses on environmental professionals who are already in the industry, and this is just to augment their knowledge, share their knowledge on sustainability and different issues related to environment. So it is a holistic environment management program that we have. In addition to this, we also offer externship and internship programs. So in that also we train individuals in different aspects of sustainability, different aspects of climate change, etc. And we are also into research and consultancy, and we have done several projects that have been sponsored by government organizations as well as private organizations. So we have done projects that have been sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, the Board of Research in Nuclear Studies, that is the Department of Atomic Energy, ICMR, MOEFCC, so many agencies. And we have also done a very big project for BPCL. That was also part of our ISR. It was a seed ball propagation project where over 5 lakh seed balls were propagated in different stations, BPCL stations in the state of Maharashtra. We've also done a project for NPCB, that was bio monitoring and indexing of 56 rivers across Maharashtra. So we do a continuous efforts, and through our research activities we would like to bring about more knowledge about environmental management. In terms of research areas, the themes that we work on, they are management of natural resources, and we also our theme is also water resource management, where we deal with issues like phytoremediation, bioremediation, groundwater monitoring and mapping by GIS, etc. One is the management of solid waste, radioactive waste management, air quality monitoring, and we also work on global issues like climate change, you have ozone depletion, forest and biodiversity, and many other studies. And now as SIES is going ahead with the establishment of the university, we really look forward to it. And we have a very supportive management who supports all our activities. And as they say, rise with education. So we are looking forward to the university being established and rising further in education and contributing to society at large. That's about it. Thank you.